In order to create a party item, you first need to go to the admin tab and create a product type called parties. In this system it's already been created, but you can see here that the product name is parties and it needs to be spelt exactly that way, like so. Then you can put it in any sale tab you want. We just created one called parties. I just go back and then we'll create the party product itself now. So you can see all the ones that are already in the file. And now we're going to create a weekend mini golf party item. So we just put W/E, that indicates that it's a weekend. So you'll only be able to select times that are on a weekend. The reason why we have weekend pricing is because a lot of times places will do different pricing for the weekends. Now select parties in the product type and await. And here's the price per extra child. So if you go over the designated size of the party, it will just automatically add the $9.99 for each extra child. And this is the field where you select the party size, and then a maximum party size as well. And here select if it will appear online, and then you hit add party. So now you can see the new item is at the bottom here with its description. So now we'll go back to the sales tab and we'll go through selling a party item as well. For our parties tab, you need to add a customer to the sale. So we'll just go ahead and do that. So now the parties tab is visible. So we just select that and then we select our new item that we just added. It will prompt you to select a date. In this case, we'll have to choose a weekend date or else it will not be valid. And select a party size. So this date is available. Now just select a party room. And add the birthday child's name. Now you can see that the price has been adjusted for the extra 2 kids. And you can also put a deposit amount. In this system, the deposit amount is defaulted $100. So we'll just do cash for this. So just type in the cash received and add the deposit. Now you can print the party receipt. As you can see, it's a bit larger than our normal receipts, and it'll show the outstanding balance. So now let's just look up the sale in the search. You can see that it has been the most recently added, and you can edit it from here as well. We'll bring it back up here, and it'll show the deposit put down. Now this is editing it directly. Let's just add a child just to see how the sale will change. Now it's $65.81 outstanding balance, but the deposit remains the same. So just save and close to make sure that the changes have been saved. And then you can print a receipt as well, just to have a paper record of it.